we will be making cucumber rolls. For this we will be needing many, you can use any vegetables which you want, and it can be eaten as an appetizer or it's as a meal itself. It's a very simple recipe, and at my place always guests love it. So for this we will be needing tomatoes, bell peppers, green, red, some microgreens, herbs, oregano, chili flakes, black pepper, and this cashew cheese, two cucumbers, and a grater to grate this.
Now let's make a spread. Link to make cashew cheese is on the right hand side. Do check it. Add salt to taste, black pepper, bit of oregano or any herb which you like, and chili flakes. Mix it well and keep it aside. Now let's slice our cucumbers. In this lockdown, this is the best cucumber I've got. Just take care of your hands and slice it on the wafer slicer. Be careful with your hands. Once you have sliced the cucumber, keep it aside. Then we'll assemble it in the last. Now let's assemble it. Take some cashew cheese and spread it on the cucumbers. You can make it ahead and keep it in your fridge for party or when guests are coming. Spread it nicely. It will also act as a glue so that roll does not open up. Tomatoes, green pepper, yellow pepper, and a red peppers. These are mung microgreens which I have grown at my place only. If you are interested to see the video, I'll do share the video of this. Do comment in the box, so I'll make a separate video. Now let's roll it. If in case your cucumbers are small and it's opening up, you can secure it with a toothpick also. Do like my channel and share with your friends.
And here we have a beautiful small cucumber rolls ready. Kids would love it.